Sarah, and I don't know how to cook. So why am I making a cooking video? Well, I guess I thought it'd be fun. I apologize if I don't know all the fancy cooking terminology, but that's the point of this vlog, so we can learn together. So, if you're like me and have lived off of ramen noodles and Totino's pizza rolls for far too long, let's get started. Today's dish is one I call swirly chicken pasta. I know there's gotta be a more official name, but I like my name better. The ingredients for this dish include one 12-ounce box of swirly pasta, also called rotini if that's what you're into, 2 to 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, vegetable oil, seasoned salt, and one big old thing of Parmesan cheese. This is a staple in my house because it's extremely easy and even the pickiest of new husbands can't say no to it. First things first, you need to start boiling the water to put the pasta in. I don't know the exact amount of water, just whatever will fit the pasta and then some for later. You also need to have your chicken breasts thawed. This can be a pain in the butt, so I usually just buy non-frozen chicken breasts the day of. Otherwise, you can let frozen breasts thaw in the fridge or the counter, whatever you want to do, but I usually take the lazy approach. After your water is boiling, put the pasta in. I like to use that tri-color rotini mainly because it looks fancier and it's more fun, but boil the pasta for about 10 minutes, or until it tastes like pasta, I guess. While you're boiling the pasta, stirring occasionally, this is the perfect time to start cutting up the chicken into small pieces. For this video, I'm using 2 larger breasts. Be sure to cut off all the fat as well. This recipe feeds about 2 to 3 people. Alright, after your chicken is cut up, get out a frying pan and put it on another burner. You'll want to start maybe around medium heat, but you'll probably end up going down to low heat. Put a tiny bit of vegetable oil in the pan. I might have put a little too much here. And you'll let it heat up for a couple minutes. Then put the cut up chicken in the pan and sprinkle it with seasoning. You want the chicken itself to turn white, but it cooks pretty quickly. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Make sure you season the chicken with the seasoning salt on both sides, flipping it only once when ready. After it's well cooked, turn off the stovetop. If your timing is matching mine, the pasta should be about done. Turn off the stovetop over there and drain the pasta. I like to call this doohickey strainer, but I guess it's called a colander. I don't know technical terms. Put the pasta back in the pot, and then pour the chicken, vegetable oil, and all into the pot as well. Mix it all together, and finally, at the very end, add a ton of Parmesan cheese on top of it. And that's it. Mix it all up. That's how you make swirly chicken pasta. For all the fancy folk out there, you can serve this on a fancy plate as well, or eat it right out of the pot, but that may be frowned upon if you have more than one person eating. And that's it. Delicious, I hope. Thank you all for tuning in. Good luck on your cooking endeavors, and tune in next time for Sarah Learns to Cook.